What's up, everyone? This is your boy CP Olambata. We are at the beautiful Loftus Festival Stadium. We just watched Mamelodi Sundowns and SuperSport United. Mamelodi Sundowns won 1-0. You know, so standing next to me is a Mamelodi Sundowns supporter. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Mama, can you please introduce yourself? What's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Magdalene. I'm from Mamelodi.
So, Mama, support the Sundowns?
Botoko. Kishwali ona. Bona kisaka le Sundowns. Akiyaki next. Because Sundowns ikoti. Bona ibe thofita NYAOPE. Yeah, obona NYAOPE ba beta ba moli. Kore ba robetse ba Sundowns ya ba bolaya. Yeah. Bona a hona kore ana mtato tiban Sundowns. Ateng.
So, Mama, how was the match today for you?
Nelly Sharpo, although ka second half, Sundowns is defender. Marara was Rishap. Bona, it's a million manat.
And the game man of the match, how?
Goalkeeper Ron Williams. Yeah, Ronald Williams came off goal born man of the match. What's what I'm trying to do? Keep it goal in Chitata. Yeah, came off man of the match. No doubt.
Do you think Sundowns will win the league?
Definitely. I want to Tiban Sundowns, so please. I think.
And now this weekend you are playing Kaizer Chiefs. Do you think you'll win?
Boroto Varena Chiefs. Our Babonsita last door, Bonabascaritel. Honamenu, Robertson Sakamuta Saraba, Haida Kamuta Sadi 2 letter of us. Let them come. We are waiting for them.
You've heard it. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mama.
Okay, thank you very much.
And any words of encouragement to the Sundowns supporters?
No, they must come and watch. It's very interesting. And I stress I pala COVID. I said COVID 15. So I resenya ka malwetse la di COVID. How ate relax when monate Sundowns. The sky is the limit.
Yes, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mama.